Welcome. I'm Debbie Warner with Coldwell Banker, and I'm excited to have you join me on the tour today of this truly one-of-a-kind masterpiece home, built in 2017 by one of New Jersey's finest builders and located in the Rolling Hill neighborhood of Chatham, New Jersey. The grand foyer is flanked by the formal dining room with Butlers Pantry and the formal living room with one of 4 gas fireplaces. Everyone will fall in love with this amazing kitchen and family room open floor plan design. The centerpiece of the kitchen is an 8.5-foot marble-topped island. There are 2 of everything in this kitchen, 2 sinks, dishwashers, 2 refrigerators, and ovens. This kitchen is always truly party ready. The family room features a fireplace, coffered ceilings, a wall of windows, and French doors that lead to the patio and yard. A richly designed first floor office and full bathroom are adjacent to a huge mudroom, which includes cubbies and a bonus work desk. Double staircases lead to both the lower level and the second floor, where you will find 5 generously sized, fully ensuite bedrooms. The primary suite is the epitome of luxury, with a soaring tray ceiling with fine millwork and a fireplace. The spa-like primary bathroom has 2 sinks, a deep soaking tub, and a marble shower designed for 2. And the suite is completed with 2 fully finished walk-in closets, one of which includes a vanity table. The finished 3rd floor has an enormous bonus room, which would be a perfect game room, yoga or art studio, or even another bedroom. There's an adjacent full bath and closet. The trademark fine design follows us to the lower level, which includes a custom finished bar equipped with a refrigerator, wine cooler, and full-size dishwasher. A dining or game table is built into a nook adjacent to the bar. The lower level also offers a climate-controlled 1,000-plus bottle wine and tasting room. Enjoy the 0.54-acre property with patio, full outdoor kitchen and seating, and a beautiful stone fireplace.